Over here.
Did you see that lightning? What? There's a lightning bolt over there. Whoa, you can literally see the rain. Damn. We didn't even know it was rain. Oh my god! I think I got it on camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to keep it still.
Did you see that light?
Crystal, stop it.
Did you see that light?
Like, where? In the calmest voice.
You don't even care. Oh my god, there it is again. I need to put it more this way. You can literally see the rain. Oh, I got it again. This is the best day ever.
Where is it?
It's like over there.
Over there, far?
Well, no, it's like right here.
Okay.
Great descriptions. It'll do it again. Just keep staring.
Oh, there was a lightning storm in Indiana when I was there. It was just pure lightning.
Was it?
Oh, I saw it. And it was like lighting up the whole sky, and I couldn't get it. Like,
Really?
I kept
Like on your phone?
Yeah, I kept trying to get it for you guys
Uh-huh.
because it was so pretty, and I could not get it at all.
I'm sure we would have greatly appreciated that. It's okay, I got it now.
I'm gonna get it.
Oh, it keeps doing it. The sky looks lit. Literally.
lit.
Oh.
I don't want flat.